Test two, test two. Man, look. Test two. Anyway, test three, four, five. I don't know which one it is. We back at it again. Just testing out. What's good? What's good? What's good, man? It's your boy Spee. Don't mind my car. I need to wash it. It'll happen. But man, look. I'm coming to y'all today to let y'all know that I am rebranding the page. Spee AD might even change the name. But this is the first episode to my vlog. I'm very excited to get started. I think it was about time that I started something new, started something more in me, and tell you about my life, my journeys. I'm going to be talking about certain things that I'm goals that I'm setting. One of my biggest goals for this page is to upload at least every 3 days. If I can upload every day, I will. But I don't want to be boring. I want to make sure I get good content, not just be talking on the mic. This has been a music page since I think you can go back to my latest video, like 2012, right? But now, and then I got, music videos in there. Past year, I've been putting out short films. So that's something you can definitely expect for this year is short films. You feel me? So that's something you can definitely look out to for this year. It's a lot of short films. Probably not too much because I am working on a movie. What else? Music, like I said, more music. I got a whole mixtape to drop. And, just small talk. Like I said, I'm definitely going to tell you some goals I've been getting into. I'll mention them when I get inside. Or maybe I'll just do them out here, who knows. But I'm excited. I hope y'all tune in. Make sure y'all subscribe because, man, I'm gonna be showing a lot of the photography experiences, doing the more tutorials. I want this to be a lot more personal. You feel me? I feel like y'all ain't get to know me. Y'all just see me on screen and that's it. But y'all don't really know me. A lot of people I want people to get to know me, see what I do. A lot of different views. There's gonna be things with the meta glasses. I'm gonna have meta glass videos, things like that. So you can see my POV when I do photography, stuff like that. The whole nine, man. I'm very excited for y'all to see what's in tune. Yeah. So yeah, basically, man, look. If y'all haven't noticed, man, look, I'm gonna talk about one of my biggest things. I'm gonna talk about my weed journey. You know what I mean? A lot of y'all don't know I'm like a year and like 4 months clean from weed. I'm like 40 plus days from alcohol. I'm like almost like 2 weeks or so from that caffeine. Like things are shifting and I want y'all to be part of that journey. That's a lot of the stuff I'm going to post too. Like I said, I'm here to educate, motivate, anything I can, to get y'all to know who I am more. Shoot, put y'all onto these outshine popsicles. These delicious, real natural. You feel me? Health journeys, man. We're gonna be on a lot of stuff. Gym. They're gonna see me in the gym. I'm trying to niche it up, but it's really gonna just be about me so I can motivate and educate people. I also want to monetize this YouTube page. I've been having it for a while. I got 500 some subscribers. I'm trying to get 1,000 before the end of this year. I'm trying to get monetized. I'm not even monetized yet, so I want to get monetized so I can start making money. So I can start getting residual, man. I'm tired of working, man. I know y'all tired of working. I'm tired of working. So y'all gonna see how much grind it takes while I work a 9-to-5 job. Might even throw that on here. See what it takes to be a boss, man. At least my journey. Everybody got their own journey, but y'all gonna see my journey and see how much, hardship and dedication it took for me to go from an entrepreneur that I've been doing it for a while, but I didn't have no luck. I mean, I got some luck. I'm moving, people noticing me and stuff like that, but really getting out the mud, putting that time in, putting that 10 years in before something really break off and kick off.
and I want y'all to be there to witness it, you know. So that's really what this page is gonna be about. And like, of course, I want to flood it with entertainment. So music, like I said, will be dropped. Music videos still will be dropped. Short films will be dropped. Like, working on a movie, and you know, that's what it is. Might even do a little podcast. If y'all haven't checked out my other podcast pages, Club Dixon exclusive on YouTube, Ladi Ladi on YouTube, Take Flight Podcast 2025 on YouTube, and Let's Reason Christian Podcast on YouTube. So definitely make sure y'all tune in, because it's gonna be one for the books.